Now, let us light together the lamp of wisdom and knowledge that spreads over the horizon. For lighting the lamp, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Sunil Kumar Roy, respected Principal Madam, Dr. Neha Bubaiya, Vice Principal Sir, Dr. Ashish Mishra, Mrs. Valerie Soni, Escort Teacher from Rawatpada, Mrs. Dubey, Escort Teacher from ACS Narora, and Escort Teacher from ACS Indore. Thank you, all of you. Now, students from ACS Kakrapar are going to present a welcome song. The children who are participating are Ashi, Advita, Swara, Mansi, Ree, Mantram, Vivan, Sakshi, and Shlo. The song was prepared by Mrs. Ritu Singh, preparing. Thank you, children, for a pleasant and warm welcome song. Now, I invite Principal ACS Kakrapar, Dr. Neena Mukherjee, to address the gathering. Honorable Shri Kumar Roy, Director Kakrapar on that side, and Chairman LSC, Dr. Ashish Mishra, Vice Principal of the school, Srimati Vaidhi Soni, Head Mistress, escort teachers from all the schools who are participating today, and dear students. A very warm good morning to all of you. It's my distinct honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to each one of you who is present here in this accelerating gathering of the zonal level general knowledge quiz and Hindi Vaad Vivad Pratyogita. On the outset, I would like to thank the authorities at AES for giving ACS Kakrapar the opportunity to host the two events. I'm also indebted to the site director and chairman LFC and all the LFC members for their support for the program and for having agreed to be a part of this program. I consider it my privilege to introduce the chief guest to all of you. Shri S.K. Roy sir, site director, Kakrapar Gujarat site and chairman LFC. This August gathering needs to know that he is another achiever in life. You'll be happy to know that Roy sir himself was a promising and meritorious student who topped the university in IISc. He completed mechanical engineering with a distinction and went on to join the 29th batch of ERC training school. After joining NPCIL, he has headed several pioneering projects which have gained recognition by the department in the form of various awards. Kakrapar Gujarat site is marching ahead under his able leadership. As chairman LNC, he has shown keen interest in the growth of the students and the welfare of the school. It's my honor and privilege to welcome sir to this function. I request all of you to please put your hands together. I request Mr. Ashish and Mrs. Sarita Singh, a senior teacher from our school, to welcome sir with a potted plant. Today, when we look at the GK quiz participants brimmed with its confidence, we find ourselves amid an atmosphere charged with intellectual curiosity and fervor. The GK quiz is not just a competition, it is a celebration of knowledge, a testament to our thirst for learning and exploration. As we come together from 6 ACS schools, we are united by a common passion, and that is the pursuit of knowledge. In the 11th round of the quiz, which will be starting in a short while, we celebrate the joy of discovery and the satisfaction of expanding our horizons. वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता जो कल आयोजित होने जा रहा है, एक ऐसी कला है जो व्यक्तियों को अपना राय व्यक्त करने, अपना दृष्टिकोण साझा करने और स्वस्थ चर्चा में शामिल होने का अवसर देती है। यह प्रतियोगिता न केवल हमारे छात्रों की प्रतिभा को प्रदर्शित करती है, बल्कि उन्हें अपने शोध को निखारने और अपने बोलने की कौशल में सुधार करने के लिए भी प्रोत्साहित करती है। यह देखकर खुशी होती है कि हमारे युवा छात्र आत्मविश्वास के साथ अपने दृष्टिकोण को प्रस्तुत करने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं। ये छात्रों याद रखें कि यह सिर्फ एक प्रतियोगिता नहीं है, बल्कि सीखने, बढ़ने और अपनी क्षमताओं को निखारने का मंच है। I extend a very warm welcome to all the participants and escort teachers of ACL Indore, Narola, Rawatpada and the whole school. We hope that the experience you gain here will shape your journey ahead. All the best for both the competitions and may the best team win. Please put your hands together for the participants. I also welcome the Vice Principal, HM Madam, and all the teachers of ACS Kakrapar who are here with us today. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you. Truly said, ma'am, competitions are celebrations, Thank you, ma'am, for your motivational words. Before we begin, I would like to call upon our participants to the stage and occupy their seats according to the lottery that was drawn in the managers' meeting. Team 1, Brady Bunch. They can occupy their seats. Team 2, Knowledge Knights. Please come and occupy your seats. Team 3, Pathfinders. Team 4, Savvy Scholars. Team 5, Curious Minds. And Team 6, Wise Crackers. Put your hands together for all our 6 teams. Now, each team will introduce themselves. Let's begin with Team 1, followed by the others. Team 1.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rajesh Sharma from Team A Brainy Bunch. Thank you.
I am Vivek from Team A Brainy Bunch. Hello.
I am Akshya from Team Knowledge Knights. I am Chitul from Team Knowledge Knights. Good morning, everyone. I am Yashin Rajeshwari from Team Pathfinders.
Good morning, everybody. This is Satnam Udgal from Team Pathfinders.
Good morning. I am Vidya Chaudhary from Savvy Scholars. I am Aditi from Savvy Scholars. Good morning. My name is Kejal Syed from Curious Minds. Good morning. This is Kanishka from Team 5 Curious Minds. Good morning. I am Sandri Parma from Team 6 Wise Crackers.
Good morning, I'm Aish Kumar Verma from Team Wise Crackers.
Thank you, all of you. I wish all the participants the best of luck and may the power of knowledge and curiosity help you to victory. Now, I request our chief guest, Shri Sunil Kumar Roy, Site Director CAPS, Gujarat Side, to address the gathering and wish the participating students. Sir, please.
नमस्कार, यार आदाब, माननीय प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर मीना, उप प्रधानाचार्य सभी हेड मिस्ट्रेस मैडम और हमारे नरोड़ा, इंदौर, रावतभाटा और सब जगह से आए हुए शिक्षिका, शिक्षक और आज के सितारे, प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे और बच्चियों, नमस्कार और बहुत बहुत प्यार। कहते हैं कि जो बच्चे होते हैं वो जब मेरे को ये दिया जा रहा था, गमला में कुछ जो है प्लांट दिया जा रहा था, तो मैं यूं कहा जाए कि इस गमले में अपने बच्चे और बच्चियों का मूर्ति रूप देखा। तो यहाँ पे बैठे हुए जितने भी बच्चे और बच्चियां हैं, ये हमारे देश के भविष्य है, देश के सितारे हैं, देश को किस डायरेक्शन में ले जाना है, देश को किस स्थिति में ले जाना है। बच्चों, ये आपके हाथ में है, क्योंकि आज जो आप मेरे सामने हैं, कल आप भारत को शिखर पे होंगे, जो कि कामयाबी देख लीजिए, आप चंद्रयान का कामयाबी देख लीजिए, बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है। और अब महत्व छोड़ दीजिए, आपने भी देख लीजिए आपका जो है ककरापार 3, जो कि यूं कहा जाए कि भारतवर्ष में सबसे पहला 1 मेगावाट का प्लांट है, जो कि पूरे भारतवर्ष ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व को ये दिखा दिया गया क्योंकि इसमें कुछ ऐसी सिस्टम है जो विश्व में कहीं नहीं लगा हुआ है, ये चल सकता है, चलेगा और चलता है। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों और बच्चियों, ये सब योगदान आप ही का है, अभी आपके माता पिता का योगदान है, और इसके बाद बारी तो फिर आपकी है। जहां तक ये बात है, हम बात करें बात की बात करें या फिर क्विज की बात करें, समाज ज्ञान की बात करें, या फिर है क्या? यूं कहा जाए कि जो हम यहाँ बैठे हुए जो बोल रहे हैं, यदि ये महासागर है तो बाद कोई जो है उसमें रहने वाला हर एक मोती है, मोती। और ये जो चीज है, ये चीज मैं दावे के साथ बोल सकता हूं कि किसी सब्जेक्ट में, किसी विषय में जो उसका डेप्थ है, जो गहराई है, उसका आंकने का, मूल्यांकन का पैमाना कुछ और बात भी है। तो आप ये जो चीज है, ये चीज आपके हर एक चीज को बात आपके बोलने की कौशलता को, बोलने की क्षमता को, बोलने की इसकी प्रबलता को ये मापने का एक पैमाना भी है, और ये बताता है कि आपको पढ़ने के लिए आपके क्या क्या सब गुण होनी चाहिए, गुण नहीं है उसको रिमूव करने का सबसे बड़ा तरीका भी है। तो आज बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हुए मैं इतना कहूंगा कि यहाँ पे बैठे हुए सभी मेरे देश के भविष्य, आप मन लगा के पढ़े, क्योंकि पूरा मेरा विश्वास है कि बात एक बोलने की कौशलता, तर्कता, इस सब का जो क्षमता का प्रतिबद्धता, ये सारे चीज को आगे बढ़ाता है। तो दूसरी तरफ आपके दिल में रखे हुए उस विषय का, जिस विषय से आपको सबसे ज्यादा लगाव है, यदि क्विज में आप टॉप पाते हैं, हम ये नहीं कहूंगा कि क्विज में टॉप आना ही बहुत बड़ी चीज है, लेकिन तो ये बताता है कि आपका उस विषय में गहराई कितनी है। तो इसी के साथ मैं ये कहूंगा कि आपका जो यहाँ पे ककरापार में होस्ट किया है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत यहाँ के टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल खासकर, और आप सभी का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आप इतना दूर से आए हैं। तो यहाँ पे यहाँ का वातावरण का लुत्फ लें, और ऑफकोर्स अपनी क्षमता का प्रदर्शन अच्छे ढंग से करें। और इसी के साथ यदि कोई कमी रह गई हो और कोई कमी की बात हो तो जरूर हमारे महोदया को बताएं, और हमें भी बताएं, हमें अच्छा लगेगा। और मैं दावे के साथ बोल सकता हूँ कि शायद सरकार में किसी चीज की कमी यहाँ पे नहीं होगी। इसी के साथ जय हिंद, जय भारत, ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. It was truly inspiring and informative speech. Surely it will help our participants. Thank you once again.
Good morning to all of you. With the permission of our chief guest, I would like to start today's quiz program, that is GK quiz. So first of all, we'll have one inaugural round, and the questions will be asked by our chief guest, sir. So this round will be a no marking round. This will be just an inaugural round. Our chief guest will ask one question from each team. Sir, yes. I would like to request you to please come on the stage.
Yeah. Good. अब सबसे बात तो ये है, सबसे बड़ी बात कि जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है उसको पर ध्यान से सुनना है। ध्यान सुनने के बाद हो सकता है कि उस क्वेश्चन प्रश्नावली में ही उसका आंसर मिल जाए, लेकिन इसमें कभी धरपड़ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कभी ये सोचना नहीं है कि उसको नंबर आ गया, ये आ गया, कभी प्रेशर में आने का है। प्रेशर में एब्सोल्युटली आपको आना ही नहीं है, राइट। और आपको ध्यान से सुनना है क्वेश्चन है क्या, फिर जवाब देना, राइट। तो इसी के साथ आप सबों को कभी गहराई से बहुत बहुत स्वागत भी करता हूँ और खुदा से इबादत करता हूँ कि तुम लोग इसी तरह से मंच पे बैठे हो और अपना जो है झंडा पूजा करके जाओ, राइट बात, यस। तो सबसे पहली बात मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ब्रेनिंग नॉलेज फैक्ट से भी क्यूरियस वाइस सभी का इस मंच में स्वागत करता हूँ। और आपका ये जो रूम है जिसमें मार्क्स का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, नंबर का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, दिस सिंपली ऐसे जो आप हिंदी में खरी को क्या बोलोगे तुमको बढ़िया सब जान सकते हो, वही राउंड है। इसको बिल्कुल हंसते हुए लीजिए, ये वार्म राउंड है, इसका आपके नंबर का से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, राइट। खुशी खुशी लीजिए, राइट। चलिए ओहो oh yes, very easy. It's a very simple question, very simple question. The question is what is name of the launch vehicle used Chandrayaan 3? Number 1, GSLV. Number 2, PSLV. Number 3, LND-3-F4, and fourth, that is Number 3, you want to say that it is LV, M3, M4? Are you sure? Really? A fantastic voice in the big class. Now we move to team number 2. Are you ready? Yes? Voice. यार तुम बड़ा छोटा लगता है, तो डर लगता है इस सवाल का जवाब जो देगा इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, ठीक है, लेकिन बड़ा छोटा छोटा लगता है। अच्छा, what is name of the lender on board the Chandrayaan 3? Number A, Vikram. Number 2, Pragyan. Number 3, opportunity. Number D, Vigyan. Really? I don't know. I think it will be Vigyan. Anybody can tell? Yes, what is the correct answer of this? Yes. Why? Good. एक से देखने में छोटा लगे घाव करे गंभीर, इस बच्चे को देखी मेरे को नहीं आता है, मेरे को पता नहीं किसको पता है। गुड, ऑल द बेस्ट बॉय। फ्रॉम टीम नंबर 3, ready? Yes. Good. Oh, the smart guys are in front of me. Right. What is the name of rover on board that you guys take?
Pragyan.
What?
Pragyan.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
पूछ लिया जाए?
Yes.
गूगल महाराज से?
Yes, sir.
Really? क्या बात है, वाह, गजब। Good. आपको बड़ा मामला थोड़ा गड़बड़ है, नहीं और आपके बेस्ट, क्या गजब का है, दिमाग है, तो नॉलेज काफी गजब का है आप लोग का। Yes, number 4 study. Good. I think you are Kakrapar, right? Anyway, I think it is winner. What is the first country in the world to reach on the moon's south pole? China, United States, India, or Russia?
India.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really? I think he is in the big class for him. And for the country, India is the first country to have to reach to the moon. So we should be very proud. 140 crores of the people supposed to be proud because we have reached the first at the moon. Once again, I would like to clap for yourself for the country. Yes. Next. Ready? I think answer will be everybody 100% is there. Okay. So this is team number 5, the curious team. Who is the rocket component behind the Chandrayaan 3 mission? Motima Datta, Ritu Karidal, Nandini Harinath, Casey Thomas. What is the correct answer? Yeah. Number 1, A, Momita Datta, Karidal, Nandi Harinath, Thomas.
Option C, Nandini.
Option
Option C.
Option 3. You will right, but you try a little bit more. Try. See, इसी में मैं बोल रहा एक चीज बोला कि बहुत सारा चीज जो होता है उसी में छुपा होता है। थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए और क्वेश्चन इसका क्वेश्चन आप यदि क्वेश्चन देखेंगे बढ़िया से तो उसमें कुछ ऐसे वर्ड होंगे जो आपको ये बता देंगे व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। इस चीज में पहले बताया था आप लोगों को, थोड़ा सा और जोड़ दीजिए, दिमाग को जोड़ दीजिए और देखिए कि कौन सा ऐसा वर्ड है जिसको कि आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं तो आपको उसका आंसर मिल जाएगा। A, B, C और D।
B,
Ritu? अरे फैंटास्टिक गुड ऑल द बेस्ट। क्या बात है। थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत है और देखिए कुछ ऐसे वर्ड है जो कि आप दो वर्ड को मिलाते हैं तो आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा, राइट। लेकिन ऑडिट नहीं करने का है, ये तो उसके लिए है जिसको नॉलेज करना है, जैसे मेरे को नॉलेज करना है। गुड वेरी गुड। The last thing, I think this is number 6. Wise cracker. The mission life of the lender and rover of the line tree is 24 Earth days, 16 Earth days, 14 Earth days, or the 12 Earth days. Yes.
Option A, 24 Earth days.
थोड़ा सा you try it again. Think book कहते हैं the mission life of lander and the rover of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3, right? Let's find out Chandrayaan 3. It is 24, 20, 16, 14, or 12. First of all, you should know what is the Earth day. Then we find out, yes, what is the correct answer. Very simple.
Option C, 14 days.
Oh, fantastic. Good. Give me the big clap for it. So many of you. Very good. So, all the best. Fantastic. I think nobody has slept, but only I have given some time to the two group. One is the curious and second is the wise. Fantastic. Answer was given by all the team. Very fantastic. We all have performed. Give big clap for all of us. भाई इसी बात ये तो रहा जो हमको दिया गया है, लेकिन अब ये बच्चे एस के हैं नहीं के एस के हैं तो कुछ पूछूंगा, यदि आप जवाब देंगे तो भी सही, नहीं देंगे तो भी सही। राइट, पूछू थोड़ा सा इसका भारत का कोकिला किसको कहा जाता है? भारत की कोकिला किसको? आप ये देखिए कि भारत की कोकिला और स्वर कोकिला में अंतर है, राइट? तो फलसफी बताइए कि भारत की कोकिला किसको कहा जाता है? वेरी गुड फैंटास्टिक। और स्वर कोकिला गुड वेरी गुड। एक छोटी सी चीज है, तोता इनको नवाजा गया है, तोता इनको जो है सो कहते हैं लोग, उपनाम दिया गया है। ये सब हिंदी का क्वेश्चन है, मैं हिंदी का क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ। तोता चलिए मैं बता देता हूँ। निजामुद्दीन ओलिया, फिराश गोरखपुरी, अमीर खुसरो और अमीर खुसरो हो सकता है, हो ही नहीं सकता है ना। अमीर खुसरो को तोता कहा गया है, राइट? अच्छा तुम मुझे बताओ, तुम्हें सुने हो कि दिल्ली दूर है? यस, दिल्ली दूर है, वो बोलते हैं ना, अरे यार दिल्ली दूर है। पहली बात किसने बोला था दिल्ली दूर है? एवरी कैन दिल्ली दूर है, बोलिए दिल्ली दूर है ना? बोलते हैं, घर में बोलते हैं, ऐसे बोलते हैं, अरे छोड़ो यार दिल्ली तो दूर है, तुम क्या बात करते हो यार, दिल्ली दूर है। Very simple. It is being used in the house. It is being used with parents. It is used with children. It is being used between interaction to person to person. दिल्ली दूर है। लिमिट के अंदर। चलिए इसी के साथ मैं आंसर देता हूँ और उसके साथ मैं यहाँ से बिता लेता हूँ। वो कोई नहीं है, आप दिल्ली नरोड़ा किधर है? नरोड़ा कहाँ है? दिल्ली के नजदीक है। दिल्ली में एक निजामुद्दीन भी है ना, रेलवे स्टेशन का नाम। तो वो कोई नहीं थे, वो थे निजामुद्दीन औलिया। उन्होंने तुगलक को संदेश दिया था कि तुगलक तुम तो छोड़ो। और वो सूफी संत थे, उनको बहुत सारी चीज के बारे में पता था। अभी भी उनकी जो है तो वहाँ पे मजार है, आप देखेंगे, और वहाँ पे कोई प्रतिबंध नहीं, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सभी आते रहते हैं। तो उन्होंने ही पहले बोला था तुगलक दिल्ली दूर है। इसी के साथ जय हिंद, जय बच्चे, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय हिंद।
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. These questions of this round were prepared by our assistant quiz master, Mr. Kundan. And in fact, all the questions of this quiz competition have been selected and prepared by assistant quiz master Kundan Kumar. Let me introduce the other team members of this program. Shivam will be the scorer of the quiz. Himaran sir will be doing the score on score sheet. And once again, I welcome all the participants, all the teachers who have come from different places to this quiz competition. So first of all, I'll introduce with all of you with the rounds of the quiz. We have 10 general rounds and 1 rapid fire round. The rounds of the quiz are mythology, Indian history, India, literature, entertainment, sports and games, current affairs. Then we have a visual round and a round based on personalities, who am I, then general science, and the last round will be the rapid fire round. Rules of the quiz, these are the general rules. There will be 10 general rounds and 1 rapid fire round. Each general round will have questions based on various topics. Each direct question will carry 10 marks. There is no negative marking in the general round. Once the question is passed, the next team will get it as a bonus. If answered correctly, they will secure 5 marks. In the general round, the time for a direct question will be 10 seconds. The bonus question has to be answered in 5 seconds. Each right answer carries 5 marks and wrong answer carries 3 marks. In the rapid fire round, minus 3 marks, sorry. Wrong answer will carry you minus 3 marks in the rapid fire round. In other rounds, there is no negative marking. The next question in the rapid fire round will be asked only if the previous question is passed by the team. In the rapid fire round, the first answer given by any member of the team will only be accepted. So there should be proper coordination among the team members. The decision of the quiz master will be the final. So these are the general rounds for general guidelines, general rules for all the rounds. Round-wise rule will be announced in the beginning of each round. So let's start with our first round, that is mythology. In this round, rules are each direct question will carry 10 marks, There is no negative marking. First answer given by any member will only be accepted. So you have to decide who will be the answering. And please use mic so that all the audience can hear you. First answer given by any member will only be accepted. So there should be proper coordination amongst the members. Okay, so now we start. First question for the team 1, that is Brady Bunch. And timer will be available here. When the question is finished, your timer will start. You can see the timer there. So the first question to the team 1, Brady Bunch. The real name of Valmiki, the writer of Ramayana, is. These are your 4 options: Vasuki, Devvrat, Ratnakar, Parth. See Ratnakar. Your answer is right. Give them a round of applause. Now the next question of the round to the knowledge knights. What was the name of the King Bharat's mother? Your options are Menaka, Parvati, Shakuntala, Ganga.
Option C, Shakuntala.
The answer is correct. Scorers, please keep on adding their marks. Team 3, the fact finders. Your question is: Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sanchi, Sarnath, Vaishali, Bodh Gaya.
Sarnath.
Yes, Sarnath is the right answer. So Sarnath is a place in Varanasi where Buddha gave his first sermon, and the other place which is associated with Buddha is Bodh Gaya, where he got enlightenment. So the next question is for team 4, that is Service Scholars. Your question is: in Ramayana, who was the Lakshman's mother? Sumitra, Kaikeyi, Urmila, Kunti.
Sumitra.
Yes, Sumitra is the right answer. Sumitra was the Lakshman's mother. Kaikeyi was the mother of Bharat. Urmila was, yes, very good. Kunti was the mother of Pandavas. So the next question for curious minds. The word Buddha means soul after death, the enlightened one, anything beyond God, the ultimate path of moksha.
The ultimate path of moksha.
The time is also, and your answer is also not correct. The correct answer is the enlightened one. Buddha means the enlightened one. The next question goes to the team Wisecrackers. The first Tirthankaras of Jainism was Mahavir, Rishabhnath, Parshvanath, and Sambhava.
Option A, Mahavira.
Your answer is not correct. The correct answer is Rishabhnath. Mahavir was the 24th Tirthankar of Jainism. Rishabhnath was born in holy city of Ayodhya and attained moksha on Mount Kailasha. So this is the end of first round, that is Indian mythology. What are the scores of these teams after first round? We can see on the board. Team 1, that is Brady Bunch, is at 10 points. Team 2, Knowledge Knights, they have 10 points. Then Fact Finders, 10 points. Team 4, that is Service Scholars, 10 points. Team 5 and Team 6 could not score well in this round. So let's hope the next round they will perform better. So give them a huge round of applause. Can we have a pause?
Team 5 and Team 6. Don't worry. Keep it up. The things, a lot of things. अभी 10 round पता नहीं कितना round होगा. keep it up, okay? And I think तुम में जो है हुनर बहुत है, करके दिखाना है, कोई बात नहीं, ये सब चलता रहता है। तो इन सभी के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली बजाओ। Okay, boys. Thank you very much. Hello.
So after the first round, round 2 starts, that is Indian history. Rules of the round: each direct question will carry 10 marks, there is no negative marking. First answer given by any member will only be accepted, so there should be proper coordination, as I have already told. If you don't want to answer, then you can pass the question to the next team. So the first question of this round is to the team 1, that is very much. Which new dynasty developed in eastern part of the country? Options are Cholas, Palas, Chahmanas, Rashtrakutas. Yes, Palas is the correct answer. Please give a round of applause. Founded by King Gopala, which did not have any royal antecedents and was elected by the people of his superior capabilities. So this dynasty was established by King Gopala. 10 marks to the team Brady Bunch. Now the next question goes to the team Knowledge Knights. What is Vetti? Your options are: it's a type of rent, tax, revenue, or gift. Team 2, you can see the timer.
Tax.
Yes, tax is the correct answer. Just before 3 seconds, the answer, but the answer is correct. So Vetti means forced labor. It was kind of a tax in the Chola Empire and taken in the form of forced labor, not in cash. Now the team 3 has the next question, fact finders. Who invaded the Somnath temple in Gujarat? Akbar, Muhammad Ghori, Mahmud Ghazni, Iltutmish.
Muhammad Ghazni.
Yes, Muhammad Ghazni is the right answer. He was an Afghan and attacked India 17 times in 25 years. Next question goes to the team Sevi scholars. Genghis Khan was the ruler of which tribe? Your options are Turkish, Mongols, Huns, Mughals.
Mongols.
Yes, Mongols is the right answer. Even before the time started, the answer is correct. The descendant of Mongols were later known as the Mughals. Team 5 has the next question, curious minds. Your question is the name of residence of Mughal emperors in Delhi was the Red Fort, the Old Fort, Siri Fort, Golconda Fort.
Golconda Fort.
Your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is the Red Fort in Delhi. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan between 1638 to 1648. So the team will get 0 marks because there is no negative marking in this round. The next question is for team 6. Wisecrackers. Which Mughal emperor was defeated by Sher Shah Suri? Babur, Humayun, Jahangir, Akbar.
B. Humayun.
Yes, Humayun is the correct answer. Defeated by Sher Shah in 1614, the Battle of Zonal. So the team has opened up their account.
So well, in second round, Team 1, Brainy Bunch has scored 10 marks. Team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 10 marks. Team 3, Fact Finders also has scored 10 marks. And Team 4, Savage Scholars has scored 10 marks. And Team 5 and Team 6 couldn't score. Sorry, Team 6 has scored 10 marks.
Okay, so we have completed 2 rounds. And what is the total score after the 2 rounds of each team? Shivam sir.
So Team 1 has 20 marks, Team 2 has 20 marks, Team 3 also has 20 marks, Team 4 has 20 marks, Team 5 has 0 marks, and Team 6 has 10 marks in total.
Let's clap for all of these teams. Let's hope Team 5 also starts scoring in the next round. The next round is round 3. That is based on India. Rules are on the screen. These are the same rules which we were doing in the other 2 rounds. No negative marking, 10 marks, then final answer will be given by 1 member only. Okay, so the first question of this round is to the team Brady Bunch. Which of these is not a commercial farming? Options are commercial grain, plantation, organic farming, mixed farming.
Plantation.
Your answer is not correct. The correct answer is organic farming. So the team gets 0 marks in this round on the first question. Second question is for the team Knowledge Knights. Which of the following are called coarse grains? Jowar, bajra, ragi, all of these.
All of this.
Yes, all of these is the correct answer. So the team Knowledge Knights gets 10 marks. Audience, please keep quiet. Your audience, so I think you know what is the meaning of audience. So you are here to encourage them. Next question is for the team 3 fact finders. Your question is, the stratosphere contains a layer of which gas?
Ozone gas.
Nitrogen. Oh, very nice. Before completing the question, they have answered fact finders that score 10 marks. Ozone gas is the right answer. Ozone protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Next question is for savage scholars. Which of the following rivers falls in the Arabian Sea? Your options are Ganga, Damodar, Narmada, Godavari.
Narmada.
Yes, Narmada is the correct answer. In India, there are many rivers. Most of them fall in the Bay of Bengal. Only Tapti and Narmada, these rivers fall in the Arabian Sea. Next question is for curious minds. Question is, Sardar Sarovar Dam is on which river? Your options are Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, and Ganga.
C. Godavari.
Your answer is not correct. So the question passes to the next team, wisecrackers.
Option B. Tapi.
Again, the answer is not correct. So this team also does not get any bonus marks. The correct answer is Narmada. Narmada River provides water to Gujarat, Maharashtra, MP and Rajasthan, and also produces 1450 megawatt of electricity. So the last question of this round is for team wisecrackers. Your question is, in which layer all the weather phenomena occur? Your options are troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere.
A. Troposphere.
Correct answer. Troposphere is the correct answer. The team gets 10 points in this round again. So this is the completion of 3 rounds. So let's see what is the total of these points scored by the teams. Shivam sir.
So when in round 3, team 1, Brainy Bunch has scored 0 marks. Team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 10 marks. Team 3, Fact Finders has scored 10 marks. Team 4, Savvy Scholars has scored 10 marks. Team 5, Curious Mind couldn't score. And Team 6, Wise Crackers had scored 10 marks.
Let's have a total points also.
And the total point for team 1 is 20, team 2 is 30, team 3 is 30, team 4 is 30, team 5 is 0, and team 6 is 20.
Before the start of next round, let's clap for them. Clapping is good for your health also and for encouraging our teams also. So keep on clapping whenever you get a chance. So the next round is round 4 based on literature. Rules are same as the previous rounds. Direct question will carry 10 marks, no negative marking. If you don't answer the question or your answer is wrong, then the question will be passed to the next team. And if the next team answers it correct, then 5 points will be given as bonus. So the first question of this round is for the team Brainy Bunch. Who was the first Asian to win Nobel Prize in Literature? Options are Abdul Razak Gurnah, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, Vikram Seth, Salman Khurshid. Rabindranath Tagore? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore is the correct answer. Rabindranath Tagore won Literature Nobel Prize for Gitanjali, is the correct points in the year 1913. 10 points to Brainy Bunch. Next question is for Knowledge Knights. Which of the first novel translated from Indian language to win an International Booker Prize in the year 2022? Options are Gitanjali, Red Samali, Godan, the White Tiger.
Option B. Red Samali.
Correct answer. Red Samali. The translated version of the book is Two of Sand, written by Gitanjali Shri and translated in English by Daisy Rockwell. 10 points to Knowledge Knights. Now the next question is for Fact Finders in the famous short stories book Malgudi Days was written by R.K. Lakshman, Mahatma Gandhi, R.K. Narayan, S.K. Bond.
R.K. Narayan.
R.K. Narayan is the correct answer. The Malgudi Days was a famous TV series, was based on this short story book having a total of 32 stories. So this series is available on YouTube also. Even today you can watch it. When I was young, I used to watch it. Now also I watch it, so that I remain young. So the next question is for the team Savvy Scholars. Famous novel Godan was written by Suryakant Tripathi Nirala, Munshi Premchand, R.K. Narayan, Ruskin Bond.
Munshi Premchand.
Munshi Premchand is the correct answer. Godan was the last completed work of Munshi Premchand, which shows the struggle between the peasant and moneylender society. So 10 points to Savvy Scholars. Next question is for curious minds. The famous epic poem book Ramayana was written by R.K. Lakshman, Mahatma Gandhi, Jayashankar Prasad, Dusty Bond.
It's Jayashankar Prasad.
The answer is correct. Jayashankar Prasad, the writer of book Ramayana. C6 Wisecrackers. Your question is Abhigyan Shakuntalam was written by R.K. Lakshman, Kalidas, R.K. Narayan, Ruskin Bond.
B. Kalidas.
Kalidas is the correct answer. Abhigyan Shakuntalam is the story of King Dushyanta and Shakuntala. So this is the completion of round 4. So what are the scores?
So in round 4, team 1, Brady Bunch has scored 10 marks, team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 10 marks, team 3, Fact Finders has scored 10 marks, and team 4, Seven Scholar has scored 10 marks, and team 5, Curious Mind has scored 10 marks, and team 6, Wisecrackers has scored 10 marks.
Give them a round of applause. Curious minds also started scoring now. Next round is based on entertainment. Rules are same. Brady Bunch, this is the question for you. 68 National Film Awards 2022 for Best Feature Film was given to which film? Tanadi, Surrai Potru, RRR, Kashmir Files.
RRR.
The answer is incorrect. No marks for this answer. The question passes to the next team.
Kashmir Files.
Again, the answer is not correct. The correct answer is Surrai Potru. Knowledge Heights. Next question from this category, entertainment. Who presents the National Film Awards? The Prime Minister, the President, the Home Minister, the Critics Board of India.
Home Minister.
The answer is not correct. Question passes to fact finders.
The Critics Boards of India.
Again, the answer is not correct. The correct answer is the President of India who presents the National Film Awards. So no team gets points for this. Next question for fact finders. Which documentary won the Oscars for Best Documentary Short Film in 2022? Options are Elephant Whisperers, All Out, All the Breeze, All That Breathes, Fire of Love. Yes, the Elephant Whisperers is the correct answer. Clap for them. 10 points to fact finders. Team 4, Semi Scholars. Your question is the 68th National Film Award 2022 for Best Actor was given to Surya, Ajay Devgan, Dhanush, both A and B.
Both A and B.
Very good. The answer is correct. National Film Award 2022 for Best Actor was given to both Ajay Devgan and Surya for the film Tanadi and Surrai Potru respectively. Next question to curious minds. Which is the first Indian film to win an Oscar award in any category? Oscar award is also known as Academy Awards. Options are Lagan, Slumdog Millionaire, Gandhi, Mother India.
Mother India.
Answer is not correct. Question passes to next team.
Option B. Lagan.
Answer is again incorrect. So no team gets any marks for this. The correct answer is Gandhi. The award was given for best costume and best background score. Wisecrackers. Your question is, who is the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Options Amir Khan, A.R. Rahman, Bhanu Tayyar, Amitabh Bachchan.
Option A, Amir Khan.
Your answer is not correct. Very well, very much.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Again, the answer is not correct. So no team gets any marks here. This question is actually linked to the previous one, where we saw first Indian film to win Oscar in any category, that is Gandhi, and the person who got award for best costume was Bhanu Athiya. So the option C is right. So no team could score this question. So this is a completion of round 5.
So in round 5, team 1, Rainy Guns has scored 0 marks, team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 0 marks, and team 3, Fact Finders has scored 10 marks, team 4, Savage Scholars has scored 10 marks, team 5, Curious Minds has scored 0 marks, and team 6, Wise Trackers has scored 0 marks. And the total after fifth round, team 1 has total 30 marks, team 2 has total 40 marks, and team 3 has total 50 marks, and team 4 has total 50 marks, and team 5 has total 10 marks, and team 6 has total 30 marks.
Huge round of applause for all the teams doing well, and claps of encouragement for the teams who are yet to do well. Claps, please. Team 5, give them a big fight in the next round. Okay. So the next round is based on sports and games. First question is for Renny Punch. Where is the next Men's FIFA World Cup 2026 is scheduled? Paris, Mexico, US and Canada, Brazil, South Africa.
South Africa.
Answer is not correct. The question goes to next team.
Option number B.
Which one?
Option B.
B. Yes, B is the correct answer. The FIFA 2026 will be hosted by 3 countries: Mexico, US and Canada. In 2022, it was held in Qatar, where you might be knowing in an exciting final match, Argentina defeated France. Next question is for Knowledge Knights. When is the next Olympic 2024 scheduled? Paris, Los Angeles, Brazil, India.
Option B.
Not correct. Question goes to the next.
Paris.
Paris is the correct answer. Fact finders get 5 bonus points for this. Los Angeles will be the venue for the 2028 Olympics, and 2020 Olympics, that is the previous one, was held in Tokyo. Fact finders have already scored 5 points before their whole question. So the question for fact finders in this round is, who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, Kakrapar, PT Usha.
Karnam Malleshwari.
Yes, Kakrapar is the correct answer. Karna Malleshwari won bronze medal in weightlifting in the Sydney Olympics 2000. 10 marks to this team. Team 4, civil scholars. Your question is, who is the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals? PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, Karna Malleshwari, and PT Usha.
PV Sindhu.
PV Sindhu is the correct answer. PV Sindhu won 2 Olympic medals. Saina Nehwal is also winner of Olympic medal in badminton. Team 5, Curious Minds. Your question. Who is the third active international goal scorer in football? Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Sunil Chhetri, Neymar.
Lionel Messi.
Your answer is not correct. Question passes to the next team. You have only 5 seconds to answer it.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Not correct. No points for this question to any team. The correct answer is Sunil Chhetri. In fact, we are so informed about the players of other countries and our own players, we generally ignore them. So Sunil Chhetri is the third highest goal scorer in football in the world. Next question of this round is for wisecrackers. Your question is, who is the first Indian individual Olympic gold medal winner? Neeraj Chopra, Mary Kom, Abhinav Bindra, PV Sindhu.
Neeraj Chopra.
Not correct. Question passes to Mary Bunch. Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra is the correct answer. Mary Bunch gets +5. So this is the end of round 6. Show me sir.
So in round 6, Team 1, Brady Bunch has scored 5 marks. Team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 5 marks. Team 3, Fact Finders has scored 15 marks. Team 4, Savage Scholars has scored 10 marks. Team 5, Curious Minds has scored 0 marks. And Team 6, Wisecrackers has scored 0 marks.
Total marks please, sir.
So after 6 rounds, total score of Team 1 is 35. Team 2 is 65. Team 3 is, Team 2 is 45. Team 3 is 65. Team 4 is 60. Team 5 is 10. And Team 6 is 30.
So Team 3 and Team 4 seem to have a tough competition giving to each other. Other teams also performing well. Players are busy. So we start round 7 now. That is based on current affairs. Again, the rules are the same as the previous rounds. First question for Brady Bunch. Which institution released the landslide atlas of India? ISRO, DRDO, NITI Aayog, NABARD. NABARD. NABARD is not correct. Question passes to Knowledge Knights.
NITI Aayog.
Again, the answer is incorrect. Correct answer is ISRO. In fact, ISRO was started for this purpose only, to chart the Indian terrain and inform the farmers. Next question is for Knowledge Knights. Which rescue operation was launched by the government of India to evacuate Indians from trouble-torn Sudan? Options: Operation Kaveri, Operation Rahat, Operation Sahayata, Operation Sankat Mosan.
Option C.
C is not correct. Question goes to the next team.
B.
Not correct again. The correct option is Operation Kaveri. This was in news, I think, a month back. It Sudan had trouble started, then Operation Kaveri was started. Operation Rahat was from evacuation from Yemen, Operation Sahayata from Mozambique, and Sankat Mochan operation was conducted from evacuation from South Sudan. Next question to the fact finders. India's first water metro service was inaugurated in which state? Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat.
Kerala.
Kerala is the correct answer. 10 points to fact finders. Sevi scholars, next question is for you. Which country became India's largest trading partner? USA, China, Japan, UK, United Kingdom.
Japan.
Not correct. Curious minds, you have 5 seconds to answer this.
USA.
USA is the correct answer. 5 bonus points to curious minds. This is your question, curious minds. What is the name given to India's first semi-high-speed regional rail service? Vande Bharat, Rapidex, Vistara, Vande Metro.
Vande Bharat.
Not correct. Wisecrackers, 5 seconds you have.
Vande Metro.
Again, it's incorrect. The correct answer is Rapidex. No points for any team. Wisecrackers, last question of the round. Where is India's first indigenous 700 megawatt unit nuclear reactor commissioned on 30th June 2023? Ralpata, Kulankulam, Kakrapar, Kaiga.
Option B.
Not correct. Question goes to Brady Bunch. Option D. Not correct. Correct answer is Kakrapar, Gujarat. I think sir has spoken in his speech, yes, just a few minutes back. So Kakrapar is the first indigenous 700 megawatt unit nuclear reactor commissioned on 30th June 2023. Very recent achievement by KFD. Okay, so this is the end of 7 rounds. So what are the scores?
So in 7th round, team 1 Brainy Bunch has scored 0 marks. Team 2 Knowledge Knights has scored 0 marks, and Team 3 Fact Finders has scored 10 marks. Team 4 Savage Scholars has scored 0 marks. Team 5 Curious Minds has scored 5 marks, and Team 6 Wisecrackers has scored 0 marks. So after 7th round, total score of Team 1 is 35. Total score of Team 2 is 45. Total score of Team 3 is 75. Total score of Team 4 is 60. And total score of Team 5 is 15. And total score of Team 6 is 30.
Claps, please. So the next round is visual round. Rules are a bit different. Each direct question will carry 10 marks. There is no negative marking. Once the question is passed, the next team will get it as bonus. Passing will be limited to only next team. It should be answered in 5 seconds. First answer given by any member will only be accepted, so there should be proper coordination. The only difference in this round is you won't get any options. You will be shown a picture and the question will be based on that picture. Options won't be available in this round. So the first question for team 1. Very much. This flag or logo belongs to which organization? World Health Organization. Question passes to the next team because the answer is not correct. Your time is up. The correct answer is United Nations Organization, which is situated in New York. So no team gets marks for this question. Knowledge Knights, this is your question. What is the name of this musical instrument? Not correct. Fact finders.
Veena.
Again, the answer is not correct. This instrument is called sarod. This is an adaptation of the Afghan instrument Rabab, which arrived in India during 16th century. And Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, you might have seen on TV. He is a very popular artist for this musical instrument. Next question for fact finders. Again, you have a flag belonging to which organization you have to tell this? Yes, World Health Organization, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Answer is correct. 10 points to fact finders. Semi scholars, which type of crop is this? Or you can name this crop.
Bajra.
Yes, Bajra is the correct answer. This comes to the category of millets. 10 points to semi scholars. Curious minds, your question. This flag belongs to which organization? Time is up. Next team. Wisecrackers. Time is up. This flag belongs to the European Union, which is headquartered in Brussels. Next question is for wisecrackers. Which dance form is shown here?
Karnataka.
Which dance form is shown here? Your time is up. The question goes to Benny Bunch. Kathakali? Yes, Kathakali is the correct answer. 5 bonus points to Benny Bunch. So this is a completion of the visual round, that is round number 8. So what is the total?
So in round 8, Team 1, Brainy Bunch has scored 5 marks, Team 2, Knowledge Knight has scored 0 marks, Team 3, Fact Finders has scored 10 marks, Team 4, Savage Scholars has scored 10 marks, Team 5, Curious Minds has scored 0 marks, and Team 6, Wisecrackers has scored 0 marks. So after 8 rounds, total score of Team 1 is 40, Team 2 is 45, Team 3 is 85, Team 4 is 70, Team 5 is 15, and Team 6 is 30.
85 marks scored by the Team 3. Give them the big round of applause. Initially, I thought that all the teams will be going to score same marks. So how will manage the tiebreaker at the end? But now you can see the huge difference. Team T has 85. The second is Team 4 70. Claps for them also. Third.
Team 3 has 85. Team 3 has 85. Team 4 has 70. And Team 5 has 15 marks.
Team 5 to this side 50.
And Team 6 has 30 marks.
15.
15. Okay. Team 6 has 30 marks.
So please give them a round of applause for the team who are doing very well and for the team who are going to do well in the next round. The next round is based on personalities or who am I. The rules are same as the visual round which we had just now. So the first question is for Brady Bunch. Identify this person. So time is up. Knowledge Knights. Your time is up. The correct answer is Avni Lathera, first Indian para woman to win a Paralympic gold medal. So no marks for this question to anything. Next question for Knowledge Knights. Identify this person. No. Wrong answer. Next team. Fact finders, you have 5 seconds.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Not correct. No marks for any team. He is somebody who is named Bose, but he is not Subhash Chandra Bose. He is Satyendra Nath Bose, the famous scientist who discovered fifth state of matter, that is called Bose-Einstein condensates, and the famous Higgs boson, you might have heard, known as God particle also, some people are saying. Scientists don't say God particle, Higgs boson. The boson name of the particle comes from his name only, Bose, SN Bose. So no marks for anything for this question. Team 3, your question is here.
Abhinav Vindra.
Abhinav Vindra is the correct answer. Even before completing the question, they answered. 10 points for fact finders. Next, savvy scholars. This is your question.
Ratan Tata.
Ratan Tata is the correct answer. Ratan Tata is the chairman emeritus of India's biggest business empire, that is Tata Group. 10 points to savvy scholars. Next question to wisecrackers. Wisecrackers. Your question. Oh, sorry. Sarojini Naidu. No, not correct. Wisecrackers. Time is up. The correct answer is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, ex-president of India, first woman president of India. Wisecrackers, your question is identify this person. Time is up. Very much. Mithali Raj is the correct answer. 5 points to very much. Mithali Raj is the highest run scorer in women international cricket. So this is the completion of 9 rounds.
So well, in round 9, Team 1, Brainy Bunch has scored +5 bonus point. Team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 0 marks. Team 3, Fact Finders has scored 10 marks. Team 4, Savvy Scholars has scored 10 marks. Team 5, Curious Minds has scored 0 marks. And Team 6, Wisecrackers has scored 0 marks. So after completion of 9 rounds, total score of Team 1 is 45, Team 2 is also 45, Team 3 is 95, Team 4 is 80, and Team 5 is 15, and Team 6 is 30.
Round of applause, please. Some audience are trying to take a nap. Okay, next round is based on general science. The everyday science rules are the same as the previous rounds. First question to Brady Bunch. The plastics which do not remold again on heating are called thermostatic plastics, thermoplastics, both of these, or fiber. B. B is not correct. Knowledge Knights.
Both.
Again, it's not correct. No marks for anything. The name itself is explanatory. Thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting. Once it is set in a particular shape, it won't get remolded. So the next question is for Knowledge Knights. Lightning occurs due to which phenomenon? Rain, wind, electric discharge, hailstorm.
Electric discharge.
Electric discharge is the correct answer. 10 points to Knowledge Knights. Fact finders. Which is the farthest planet of the solar system? Jupiter, Neptune, Earth, Mercury.
Neptune.
Neptune is the correct answer. 10 points to the team. Savvy scholars, be attentive, your question is coming. The tilting of Earth is responsible for change of days, change of the season, change of sun rays, Change of temperature.
Change of seasons.
Change of seasons is the correct answer. This is for excellent minds. Curious minds. The non-metal which is liquid at room temperature is carbon, iodine, bromine, chlorine. Chlorine is not correct. Wisecrackers.
Option C, bromine.
C is correct. Bromine. 5 points to wisecrackers. Wisecrackers, this is your question now. The hearing range of human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, less than 20 Hz, more than 20,000 Hz, 20 Hz to 25,000 Hz.
Option A.
A is the correct answer. The range of hearing of human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Why are you closing your ears? What is the range of hearing of human ear? Come on, answer it. Yes. How much? The next one with folded hands. Yes. A. Yes, A is the correct answer. Clap for it. Others were also listening, but they could not answer. So this is the end of the round. That is round number 10. So what is the score?
Where in round 10, team 1, Brainy Bunch has scored 0 marks, team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 10 marks, team 3, Fact Finders has scored 10 marks, team 4, Savvy Scholars has scored 10 marks, team 5, Curious Minds has scored 0 marks, and team 6 has scored plus 5 bonus marks and 10 marks, total 15 marks. So after completion of total 10 rounds, team 1 total score is 45, team 2's total score is 55, team 3's total score is 105, team 4's total score is 90, team 5's total score is 15, and team 6's total score is 45.
Huge round of applause for the team. So all these were general rounds. Now there comes the most exciting round, rapid fire round. The rapid fire round, 8 questions will be asked in 1 minute. Each right answer carries 5 marks. Not 10, this time it is 5. Wrong answer carries -3. The next question in the rapid fire will be asked only if the previous question is passed by the team. First answer given by any member will only be accepted, so there should be proper coordination amongst the members. So the most important point is the third one, I think. The next question will be asked only if the previous question is passed or answered correct. If you don't know the answer, this is my suggestion. If you don't know the answer, you can pass to save your time because you will get 1 minute only. 8 questions you have to answer. If you waste your time, suppose in question number 2, then your number of questions will be reduced and you will lose the marks. Okay, so if you don't know the answer, you can pass. And this pass is not going to other team. This pass question will be eliminated. Okay. So this rapid fire round may show you a huge change in these marks. So the difference between the team, which one has the 105 is team D. Fact finders are at 105, and the second position is Team 4, Savage Scholars, how much? 90 marks. So 90 and 105, not a big gap. So let's see. So if you pass all the teams, listen carefully. If you pass a question, suppose you are passing the question number 2, then question 3 will be asked. And if you complete all the 8 questions before end of the time, then the past question will be asked again. Okay? So let's start. Be attentive, all the participants, all the audience. Rapid fire round is coming here. Team 1, ready bunch. Your time starts now. The question is, the voice box is called
Larynx.
Correct. Who narrates the action of Kurukshetra to Dhritarashtra?
Sanjay.
Correct. Ramcharitmanas was written
Tulsidas.
by. Correct. Winner of Asia Cup 2022 in cricket.
Pass.
Cartographer is a person who
Maps.
Correct. Who has become the fastest Indian to score 7,000 runs in T20?
Virat Kohli.
Not correct. According to Universal Adult Franchise, every adult has.
Right to vote.
Correct. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water
Time.
twice in a day. Correct answer. So team 1 has completed their rapid fire round. Question number 4. Winner of Asia Cup 2022. Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka is correct answer. So 7 questions they have answered correct. And 1 question was wrong, so -3 will be there. So the marks scored in this round by the first team is 32. So rapid fire starts for knowledge nights. First question. Which is the most ancient Veda? Who gifted the ship? Rigved is correct. Who gifted the ship Dhanush to King Janak, who was broken by Lord Ram?
Shiv. Parshram.
Correct. The pitch of sound depends on.
Frequency.
Correct. Who has won maximum Grand Slam titles?
Option B.
B or D? B is correct. Ahmad Shah Abdali was the ruler of.
Afghan.
Correct. Who became first woman fighter pilot to fly a Rafale?
C.
Wrong. Which is the process through which water continuously changes its form?
Water cycle.
Correct. Who drafted the Indian Constitution?
Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Correct. So the round is complete for team 2. 7 correct and 1 wrong. So what is the score in this round for team 2? 32. So team 2 has completed the rapid fire. Team 3, fact finders. Your questions. The famous English novel Hamlet was written by.
Pass.
The last Tirthankara of Jainism was.
Pass.
Durand Cup is associated with which game?
Tennis.
Wrong. Amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere is.
70%.
Correct. The disciples of Sufi system were called.
Pass.
Who has become the first woman Air Force officer to receive gallantry award?
Pass.
Who represents our problems in Parliament House?
MP.
Where is one? MP is correct. Where is one horned rhino found?
Brahmaputra Basin.
That is correct. Then the past questions are. The famous English novel Hamlet was written by.
William Shakespeare.
Correct. Last Tirthankara of Jainism.
Mahavir.
Correct. The disciples of Sufi system were called.
Shishya.
time is. Who became the first woman Air Force officer to receive military award? So that's the end of rapid fire round for fact finders. 5 correct and 2 wrong. 25 minutes. Or in pass. 25. 90 marks have been scored by fact fighters, that is team 3. City scholars, your round, rapid fire round starts now. The famous Hindi short story book Mansarovar was written by
Munshi Premchand.
Correct. Indian women hockey team secured which position in Tokyo Olympics?
Second.
Wrong. Sawai Jai founded his new capital here.
Malwa.
Wrong. Who assumed the form of a golden deer to help
Manish.
Correct. In which city the first underwater metro train traveled in India?
Kerala.
Wrong. Where is the Bengal tiger found?
Sundarban Delta.
Correct. Which one of the following is print media?
Newspaper.
Correct. Vitamin C deficiency causes?
Scurvy.
Correct. Five correct. 5 correct. 3 wrong. 25 minus 9. Curious minds. Now the test of your curious mind. Rapid fire round starts. First question. Famous Hindi poem Rashmi Rati was written by the correct captain of India women hockey team.
Pass.
Small political groups of 6 were called. Correct. The cell was discovered by.
Robert Hooke.
Correct. Which gas when released in atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. Which film was named Best Film at the BAFTA Awards 23? Who is the head of a legislative assembly? Wrong. Who has been elected as the first female president of Indian Olympic Association? Okay, the questions you passed. Time is there. The famous Hindi poem Rashmi Rati was written by. Option also. Munshi Premchand, Surikant Tripathi, Ramnari Singh Dinkar, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Wrong. Your time is up. Three correct, 2 wrong. So total 9 points for curious mind. Wisecrackers. First question. Autobiography.
Option A.
Mix of barriers. A is correct. Who is the first Indian women
Pass.
cricketer? Who was the founder of the Maratha Empire?
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Right. Last Guru of Sikhs.
Guru Nanak.
Wrong. Vaccine for smallpox was discovered by.
Louis Pasteur.
Wrong. In which of the atmosphere most life exists?
Troposphere.
Correct. Which sports person of India currently plays?
Pass.
What is the full form of MLA?
B.
B is correct. Second question. Who is the first Indian women cricketer to be named Wisdom Cricketer of the Year?
Pass.
7. Which sports person of India recently became Diamond League champion?
Options.
B.
B is correct. Question 2 again. Who is the first Indian women cricketer to be named Wisden Cricketer of the Year?
Options.
Question 2.
Options.
C.
C is incorrect. 5 correct, 3 wrong. So 25 minus 9, 16. So this is the end of rapid fire round for all the teams. So let's see what changes have come after this round.
Well, in rapid fire round, Team 1, Brainy Bunch has scored 32 marks. Team 2, Knowledge Knights has scored 32 marks. And Team 3, Fact Finders has scored 19 marks. And Team 4, Savage Scholars has scored 16 marks. Team 5, Curious Minds has scored 9 marks. And Team 6, Wisecrackers has scored 16 marks. So after completion of all round, total score of Team 1 is 77 and total score of team 2 is 87, total score of team 3 is 124, total score of team 4 is 106, total score of team 5 is 24, and total score of team 6 is 61.
Now the question for audience. Which team has secured the third position? Which team has secured the third position? Question for audience. Team 2. Where it is? 87. Team 2 is Knowledge Knights. They fought well with their sword of knowledge. Next question for the audience. Question to सुन लो. Who secured second position? Question पूरा हुआ ही नहीं. Who secured the second position in the inter-ACS quiz competition at Kakrapar? Team 4. Team 4 का नाम क्या है? Savage Scholars. आज का सबसे मुश्किल सवाल. Who is the winner of this quiz? Team 3, that is Fact Finders. So this is the end of all the rounds and this quiz competition. Fact Finders have done very well. So other teams which participated are also winners. Why? Because without them, this competition would have not done here. Participants ही नहीं होंगे, competition कहाँ से होगा? तो इसका मतलब the teams which have scored other than the position first, second, third are also winners in this program. They are winners in their school. They came here to give challenge to other teams. That's why we would say all the teams are the winners here. Let's clap for all the teams. अब ऑडियंस की बारी. ऑडियंस के लिए भी है हमारे पास. Audience, first question for you. No, now you are not audience. First question for you. An Earth observation satellite which will be launched by NASA and ISRO jointly is
Option C missile.
correct answer. What is your name?
Shaurya.
Shaurya from
BCS Narora.
Narora. Clap for Shaurya. Next. First Asian to win Nobel Prize in Science was
B. C.V. Raman.
C.V. Raman is the correct answer. Next question. Who won gold medal in women's 49 kilogram weightlifting CWG, that is Commonwealth Games 2022? Options.
Option A Mirabai Chand.
Mirabai Chand is the correct answer. Who has answered?
Ishana Alia.
Very good.
From Narora.
Narora, very good. Next question. What is the name of sixth state of matter recently discovered by NASA? Options: Bose-Einstein condensate, Fermi condensate.
Option B.
Plasma. Option
B.
B is the correct answer. Very good. Claudia, again class for it. In the quiz we had one question of fifth matter of state, that was Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the sixth matter of state, Fermi condensate. Next question is, the revolt of 1857 started from? Any of you know this answer? Yes, last one. Where is the correct answer? Next question is, from which mineral is silicon obtained? Coal, bauxite, thorium, quartz.
Option D. Quartz.
Quartz is correct answer. Next. Which team is the runner-up of men's FIFA World Cup 2022? Argentina, France.
France.
Very good, very good. France is the correct answer. Next question. Who is the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in boxing? Shiv Thapa, Vijender Singh, Amit Kamgar, Mary Kom. Vijender Singh is the correct answer. Next, poet who composed national anthem of two countries, Rabindranath Tagore, Munshi Premchand, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Ram Nair.
Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore, which two countries?
India and Bangladesh.
India and Bangladesh. National anthem of India and Bangladesh was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Very good, right answer. Who is the first woman to receive Nobel Prize in Science? First woman to receive Nobel Prize.
Madam Curie.
Option B, Madam Curie.
Option B, Madam Curie is the correct answer. Claps for all of this. Which is the upcoming mission of ISRO for study of sun?
Shukrayan 1.
Aditya L1 is the correct answer. Aditya L1. So by 2026, in 2023 we landed on moon. By 2026 we are going to probe the sun also. Aditya L1. Now the next question. Where is BRICS Summit 23 is being held? India, China, South Africa, South Africa is the correct answer. From South Africa only, Prime Minister was observing the landing of Chandrayaan 3. You might have seen in the news. So this is all for the audience also. Claps for all the audience for answering all the questions correct. All the audience gets 10 points. Everybody gets 10 points in the audience. Thank you all the teams for participating and making this program a success. So I request all of you to come at the center of the stage.
Hello, I am Rajesh Sharma. We are from Team A Relevant from ACS Server. I am Chidunmalare from Teachers to RVT. My team name is Knowledge Life. I am Akshya from ACS number 2. My team name is Knowledge 9.
My name is Tanmay. I'm from team number 3, fact finders from SS4 Alberta.
I am Yashima Ashwini from Team Fact Finders from ACS4 Alberta. I am Hidayat Chaudhary from Team Seven Scholars Kakrapar. I am Aditi. Our team name is Seven Scholars from Kakrapar.
I am Sandy Verma, Team 6, Wisecrackers of ACS Indore.
Mahesh Kumar Verma, team Wisecrackers from ACS.
Kanishka from Curious Minds, and we are from agency Rahul. My name is Ketan Said from Curious Minds. Came here from ACS number 3 Rawalpata.
Now I would like to request the quiz competition team on the stage. Kundan Kumar sir, assistant quiz master, who had prepared all these questions. Clap for him. Shivam Yadav sir. Shivam Yadav sir was the scorer of today's quiz competition. Himaram sir was also the scorer of the score sheet. And Varsha madam was doing recording of this program and helped in setting all this setup on the stage. So thank you all the team.
Teachers are forward.